We all know how effective Viagra can be in terms of boosting sexual stamina. But we should be aware that this medicine can also lead to certain side effects in some men. It's not a surprising fact that use of cheap Viagra available in the market can be harmful to your health in the long run. To cope with this issue, we are going to show you a DIY homemade natural Viagra recipe, which gives you tremendous sexual power, and does not cause any side effects either, since it is natural. The ingredients used in this natural Viagra have been praised for their aphrodisiac effects for centuries. As most of us know, Viagra is a very potent drug used by men of all ages in order to boost sexual performance and function. But only a few people know that Viagra can be prepared at home too. Let's see how to prepare this DIY homemade natural Viagra. Ingredients needed: 200 grams of chopped cabbages, 1 medium-sized celery root, 1 cup of pomegranate seeds, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Now, why we have used pomegranate and celery to prepare the drink? It gives remarkable effects in boosting your energy levels, and in turn help you to spend a hot night with your sexual partner. This ingredient gives the same effects which you get from a Viagra, and since it is 100% natural, there is no chance of any kind of side effects, so consider his drink about a couple of hours before you need it. Method of preparation: cut the celery root into small pieces. Take the celery root pieces and chopped cabbages in a pan. Add enough water until it soaks the ingredients. Boil them for about 15 minutes. Don't overheat or strain the water. Allow them to cool and keep it aside. Then in a blender, add 1 cup of pomegranate seeds and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Add the boiled cabbage. Add the boiled cabbage and celery root, along with the water in which it was boiled, to the blender. Blend them together until it becomes smooth. You may add water if necessary. Strain the mixture using a strainer, and the drink is ready for you to consume. You can also consume it without straining if you prefer. Now you have seen how to prepare DIY homemade natural Viagra. This drink, if take for a sustained period of time regularly, has the ability to boost your sexual stamina and improve your lovemaking experience even better. Please share this video with your friend and family so they can benefit of the information. If you find it helpful, give a thumbs up and comment your suggestion below. And don't forget to subscribe to stay healthy with upcoming videos from eHealthcares.